We're in Tassie. They let us back.
How extra is that?
Right now we are in Lewisham, so we are just outside of Hobart, and it is an absolute cracking day. We're about to go shoot a home. It is called the Tailored Tassie Pod, and it's a very inspiring small space, so I'm very excited to be shooting lettuce in there. And after that, we've also got an epic lunch experience. We're going somewhere that no one has ever been before. It is brand new, so brand new it literally hasn't opened yet, so watch this space. It's going to be good. Are you excited?
Yeah,
I'm excited.
super excited.
Let's do it.
Put my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving.
Gosh, it doesn't look anything like its neighbours, does it? Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Look at the view from up here. Boat coming in. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. So welcome to the Tailored Tasmania Pod. I'm excited to get inside. Let's check this out. It's fun. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is exciting. That actually is quite private. I thought that would be quite exposed, but you literally just plant flat trees up here, so that's incredible. Plus you've got these screens as well, which are lovely. There we go. Alright. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh wow. I was really excited to see this after seeing it in photos. Gosh, this is something else. Wow, that's very Game of Thrones. Just saying. What have we got here? So you were in this is like a little living area thing. Oh my gosh, they've got a record player. I love this little station over here. I love these vibes. Oh, what? Oh, complete with some records too. I like that. They've got their vinyl sorted for you. Lovely little Tassie goodies. Oh, so this is fantastic. So Alice, the owner of this pod, who also designed and built, she is all about supporting locally sourced materials. So everything in this home, and including the products in it, are all Tasmanian, which you're gonna love. That's a lovely light. Well, it's interesting how they've been separated. It's not one long thing. It's kind of nice being these little pockets. Oh my word. Oh, this is lovely. Oh. All right. What else have we got? What's in here? Oh, so that's your laundry area. Keel. And then kitchen. I like this. I like how it flows. You got really lovely joinery actually. Cheeky surprise. Oh my god, the view from here is just stupid good. Stop. That is ridiculous. Oh, and I love that this like acts as like an additional couch area so you can chat to everyone, you know, hanging out in the living room as well.
Everyone. It's a place for 2 people.
Yeah, but I'm having heaps of mates around for a massive party later.
Oh, don't say that.
No, I'm not. But I would if I lived here. How's the epic let us in home tour, Jono?
It's quite good.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
I actually could probably sit here all afternoon, but
We've got places to be, people to see,
to the chopper.
food to eat.
To the chopper.
Get to the chopper.
Get to the chopper. Let's go. How you going? So which direction are we heading?
We'll go out and then swing back left towards the east coast.
Okay.
Go.
Oh my god, it's so much fun. How extra is that? Let's hope they're open. Hello.
Hi, how you going?
Oh my gosh, this is
Nice
Jono.
to meet you. Greg made sure we got here in style, that's for absolute sure. It's so
be nice,
striking.
Batman.
Just that beach is just absolutely beautiful.
We've been building for 4 years.
4 years, building for 4.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's been a very long time coming.
So when did you finish?
Oh, well, I don't know if we're technically finished. Did you ever finish? We opened, we've done 1 week of service.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so fresh.
We're very fresh.
Oh my
I know,
goodness.
I know.
This is very much an experience. This is a location in itself. So Van Bone is going to be the location. You don't even need to call it Marion Bay. You're just like, I'm going to Van Bone.
Exactly.
That's basically the idea. You're just getting your chopper off your pop, or you can get in your car if you want to do that. Oh my goodness, I really want to open it. Yeah. Very dramatic. Oh, Laura. So it's a massive tease, basically.
Yeah. It's like everything's given away to you as you drive down. So it's a slow walk to the building, coming to this pinch point, and the sort of ceiling rakes up, and ideally you have a little sneak peek in, and we'll display something that's on the menu that's in season.
And then you're obviously, you're hip on the view.
Yeah, so we give it all back to you as you come through into the dining space and the bar. Come on in.
It's very
Textural.
simple, but it's just so beautifully executed. Gosh, and your wonderful styling details as well. Gosh, those vases are beautiful.
Yeah, these pots are stunning. So they're the only pots we use. Comes from Tim and Tammy Holmes from down the road.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Potter's Croft, they're amazing. So Tammy's made all the slab works, all the vases.
Because this is
It's
just
so
magnificent.
beautiful. It's very, very clever.
That's very special.
Yeah.
In the context of shaping menus, we're in a rural location where we have small organic farms all around us. There's cheesemakers up the road, there's oysters 2 kilometres around the bay, there's amazing market garden 2 kilometres that way. So basically it's a super seasonal driven menu. If things are growing, we'll use it. As soon as they're not, we move on. So the menu changes often.
There's a really special treat that everyone
What?
has a cutlery drawer. I've got one set up, and I can set one up low for you.
What are you most sort of proud of when you kind of walk into this space?
I love the bar.
Yep.
The bathroom's pretty sexy.
The bathroom is. Let's go to the bar. Have you shot the bathroom?
No, but I've been in there and I like the
Can we
colours.
drink champagne in the bathroom? It's gonna happen.
It's a big room and it's nice and clean.
Anything goes today. This is so moody.
Yeah, but just a nice space. I think people judge a place by the bathroom and the bread.
Bathroom and the bread. Do you know what? You're probably not wrong, actually. Oh, is this a mess? Is this a mess?
This is sort of a mess.
This is not a mess.
So yeah, we've got pickled blackberries, pickled nasturtium buds.
Oh, I can see. Does he need a burp or I don't know?
He can
I'm
burp.
not a chef. I'm
We'll
not
just-
ruining this.
we'll
I
just
am not
leave it.
ruining it for future patrons.
Mother Dear's down here, so she's basically bakes all our bread daily. She's been going strong for a while.
Quality jerky.
Yeah,
Can I try some?
Yeah, it's a little bit dry. It's a bit dry, but
I don't usually like to. Jono like loves.
I think I'm going to turn it into wallaby XO sauce, but we'll just see. You want a bit?
Oh,
Oh, it's got flaxseed over.
It's
oh
got
my god.
flaxseed, lemon myrtle.
This
mountain
is not
pepper.
like the jerky that you get. This is like.
No.
It's a bit
Dry.
dry. It's too dry.
Is it?
still
Yeah.
tastes alright.
I
It's
like
really
it.
nice flavour.
Thank you so much.
Lovely to meet you. Thank you.
And thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
We are heading to Derby today. We're going to be meeting Tara and Steve from the Blue Derby Pods ride.
Feeling confident?
Yeah.